friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Chime, Tibetan traditional doctor. Today I will tell you the most 5 solutions to have a regular periods on time. As being a human myself, I do had a problems with irregular periods, and today I will tell you with my own experience to overcome these problems by giving you the most 5 solutions to have a regular periods on time. Before going to tell the solution, let me first give you a brief anatomy and physiology of uterus. Uterus is a part inside a human's body where the baby grows. The inner lining of uterus supports and nourishes the developing baby. If there is no baby, the lining is shed during her period through vaginal. One of the menstrual cycle is the first day of period when uterus starts to shed its lining. As periods end, the uterus prepares again to receive a fertilized egg for around that time, and your body's level of hormone estrogen increases, and this causes the uterus lining to thicken in preparation for the pregnancy. PMS, which means premenstrual syndrome. During that time, most women faces a lot of emotional problems and physical problems due to the interplay of hormones. Irregular periods can explain as no period for months or excessive period. If you don't have period for months or you get twice a month, then there is something wrong. Either it can be physically or mentally. But don't worry if you have irregular periods, because I have almost 5 solutions to have a regular periods on time. And if you want to know about that, then you must watch this video, and if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The most 5 solutions to have a regular periods on time. Number 1, increase your hemoglobin level if it is low. Number 2, do regular exercise. Number 3, have a quality sleep. Number 4, avoid junk food. Number 5, free from stress. Why and how you should increase your hemoglobin level if it is low? If your hemoglobin level is low, then your monthly cycle will be irregular. Therefore, you should increase your normal range of hemoglobin level, that is 12.0 to 15.5 grams per deciliter. Intake of iron-rich food, or you can take iron tablet as well. Take nutritious food. Intake of more water. Intake of fruits having more juices like apples, watermelon, pomegranates, etc. Number 2, regular exercise. Menstruation is a biological process controlled by your body's production and regulation of multiple hormones. As the girls get older, certain hormonal changes takes place in their bodies. So, when you do regular exercises, your body increases blood flow to uterus and boosts its production of endorphins. Endorphins is also known as feel good, which acts as a pain reliever and happiness booster. So I will tell you some kinds of exercise you can do for your regular periods on time. Walking, breathing exercises, yoga, stretching, and etc. Number 3, quality sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is very important because it can make your brain functions much better. However, some women have difficulty sleeping, or either having hard time falling asleep, staying asleep, or just feeling tired all the time. If you did not get quality sleep, then your brain will not produce enough good hormones, and it will affect your periods timing. You will feel fatigue and also tiredness during your period time, and also mood changes like depression, stress, and etc. Therefore, you must get a quality sleep for regular periods. But how you are going to get a quality sleep? I will give you a solution to it. Usually, quality sleep pulls out the fatigue and will calm your mind. However, if you sleep in improper way or improper time, then it will affect your body and will cause the delayed or irregular menstrual cycle. According to Sawarikpa, it says that Nimba niki peking ketching tang mongpa gona gikyu rimdep which means that sleeping during daytime can aggravate peking and cause swelling, headache, dullness, lethargy, and susceptibility to infection. And also it says that chengi malo tsupe chide lo malo nangpa nyungcha chengi lo, which means that One must sleep comfortably, as sleep deprivation in the night will lead to an increase of rough characteristic in the body. If one has not slept the previous night, skip breakfast the next morning and try to sleep half the period of deprived sleep. And also it says that 你眼我们是长小活动，go kushing nawa numki kang, which means that drinking milk, curd, chang or meat broth, applying oil on the head and putting oil in ears are helpful treatment against the hard time falling asleep and insomnia. Number 4. Avoid junk food. Junk food like pizza, samosa, chips, pani puri, pasta, etc. are rich in saturated fatty acid which affects the metabolism of progesterone in menstrual cycle. According to the Sowaripa medicine, junk food is called as a chimese, which is known as a dead food. If we take an innutritious food or dead food, then our body will not be able to produce enough hemoglobin, and in a result, it will disturb your menstrual cycle and period will not be in a time. Therefore, always take a nutritious food or chuse, which is known as the live food, like a ginger warm water in the morning every day, fruit juices, home and nutritious food, and etc. Number 5. Free from stress. When you are under stress, your body produces cortisol, which leads to delayed or light period, or may no period at all as well. If stress continues, then you may go without period for a long time. According to Sowaripa medicine, stress is called as a semdu. And also, it says that our body and mind are interdependent. When our body becomes weak, it will disturb your mind, and if your mind becomes unstable, then it will disturb your body. Therefore, we must stay stress-free. Enjoy with your loving friends, meditation, and you can also do exercise as well. Go and visit to beautiful places. In this way, you can be free from stress and can overcome your irregular periods. Thank you everyone. Till then, take care and stay safe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.